So yeah guys, I just finished taking my lemon warm water with lemon and ginger. That's what I do every day in the morning when I wake up on an empty stomach. That's my routine. So I decided just to show you what I do every day in the morning. I can't drink it, or like I can't drink the plain water. I can't drink that plain water without any lemon or anything in it. So I prefer to add lemon. If I don't have ginger, it's fine. If I have ginger, I do add ginger. For my stomach, guys, I'm burning the fat, belly fat here. So yeah, I decided to show you what I do. So now I want to clean and get busy, guys, and then after that I will show you what I bought. Guys, I bought a new facial steamer. So yeah, I will unbox it with you, and then I will do my steaming routine with you guys. So stay tuned. Love you. I'm done applying my turmeric and honey and lemon mask. That's turmeric, honey, lemon, brown sugar mask. Homemade, guys. So as you can see, that's my mask. Guys, you want that glue? I want that glue. So yeah, let's unbox. I promised you that I want to unbox with you what I got. So that's my professional facial steamer. Guys, I wanted this color, but I couldn't get this color or this color, so I got this one on purple. But anyway, it's nice, man. It's nice. Let us unbox. What do we have here? What do we have here? Ooh. Ooh. I can't wait. Ha! Ooh, guys. See? That's one. I'm sure this one is for steaming the face. And then okay, it's either you put this one is called nasal mask. I'm sure when you've got flu or your nose is blocked, you can't breathe, you've got fever, yeah, I'm sure you put your what's in your Vicks or your Vicks vapor, so that you inhale it like this, then unblock your nose. Oh guys, see how beautiful this is. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's nice. And then you have to call this one one's for our steam. This one is the one that you used to steam. Okay. This purple is very nice. It's giving. I love it, and I love this color. Yo, inhle kanjani? Yo, inhle. Yavuma purple, yavuma. It's nice. Okay, guys. So that's it, guys. Which means is an length, which means it comes with this. For the face, for the nose, when you've got flu. So yeah, it's a season, let us steam our face.